Are you interested in painting digitally but don't know how to start? Perhaps you are an artist who wants to know how to work like a professional fantasy illustrator? I will walk you through my painting class, where I will show you how professional work is done. We'll start by searching for ideas, ways of thinking about fantasy illustrations, finding the reference images and resources. Then, we'll learn about the art composition, the use of geometric shapes in the artwork, and how to make a fantasy artwork look like a game illustration. Included are Photoshop basics for beginners, how to draw thumbnails, how to sketch and paint, as well as photo batching, the use of photos to complete the work. I'll explain step by step the entire process from start to finish. Included is a free brush set, and after that, I also have a real-time drawing video at the end of the class. In this class, I will be using Photoshop and a drawing tablet. If you already have both and wanted to learn how to work professionally, want to develop your painting skills and pursue your dream job, then what are you waiting for? If you're ready, grab your pencil and join me. See you!